So hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to get gold coins in Total Battle. So getting gold coins in Total Battle actually requires joining an active clan, and then you can hunt epic monsters together and collect some free daily rewards. So best three methods include going into those clan activities. You can get them on the map and claiming some promotional bonuses. So through here, if you try to slay a monster, so let's say something like this, you can see some sort of XP and some other benefits that you may get. Another way would be to go to a clan. So you can see upon joining for the first time, you will get this much coin. You can even see on here for sales for specific coins and what you can get for that specific currency. So getting gold coins is essential if you want to continue with using the store. So you can also, as I mentioned before, defeat epic monsters. So you can also gather gold from dragon mounds on the world map or golden mountains if your kingdom wins within the Clash of Kingdoms. So you can also build gold mines to mine those gold coins. So there's really a lot of different opportunity. So you can also see some demon invasion. So you can see some different stuff that can also be acquired and some rewards that may come from that. You may get some coin related rewards as well. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to their channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Total Battle or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.